To make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method where you can make money by promoting your affiliate links on pinterest.com. So the idea is this: you choose a niche from pinterest.com and you search for viral posts on the same platform. Then you choose the posts and you re-upload them on your account, and then you go to amazon.com amazon.com. And so when you go to amazon.com, you need to go to Amazon Associates and create your account to get this bar right here. So if you want to get this bar, you need to create an account on Amazon Associates. Then you will go to amazon.com. You will find a product that matches the same niche you choose on pinterest.com, and you will select that product and take the link of the page, and you will type it on your post. And then for everyone who clicks on your link and buys from amazon.com, you will get a commission from that. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, I'm going to select my niche. So my niche is health and wellness services. So I'm going to search for viral posts on Pinterest. So here we have a lot of posts. You can always be creative and create your own posts on canva.com. So here I'm going to look for a viral post that I can repost on my account. So let's search. So I'm going to the top. So basically I advise you to choose from the first posts that shows to you, because those are the viral posts. So let's go with this one. So after choosing the post, you just need to download the image and hit create and click on create idea, and you proceed to that creation and you hit create new. You drag and drop your image, then you go back to the post, you copy the title, you drop it on your title, and then you take the description, drop the description also. Then you proceed to choosing a link. So let's go to amazon.com. Let's type again our niche, health and wellness. So let's look for a product that matches our niche. So here we have a lot of products. You can choose from one of them. You can always search by price or average customer review or new arrivals or best sellers. So let's choose best sellers and let's see the best sellers on this niche. So let's go with this one, Bloom Greens and Superfoods. So it's a best seller. So let's go here and take our link. So let's copy our link, and we drop it on the tab for link, and then we proceed to the next step, which is choosing tags. So this is a very important step, guys. Make sure you choose as much tags as you can, because tags help the post to go viral and help you with the reach of your account. So make sure you select as much tags as you can. So first one, let's go with health, recipes. Let's select every tag related to health. So select every tag that's related to health, and we will go also to wellness in a bit. Healthy food, healthy life, healthy lifestyle. Then we go to wellness. So this is just an example, guys. Don't stop on a few tags. Make sure to choose as much as you can. Healthy smoothies. So that's it for my tags. Make sure to choose as much tags as you can. So after choosing your tags, you go back and you check your image, the title, description. Make sure to write a good description. This is just an example. Then you make sure your link is in there and you check the tags. Then you click publish, and it will be published in a bit. So after it's published, you check again your post. You see everything about your post, and that's it. I think you get the idea, guys. So for this method to work, you need to upload from 10 videos, 10 posts. Sorry, you need to upload from 10 posts to 20 posts a day, and you need to stick to one niche. Don't jump from niche to niche. That's very bad for your account reach. If you want to choose 3 niches or 4, I advise you to create for every niche, create its own account. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.